Hi, everybody. My name is Clio. How are you feeling today? Super duper lovely, I hope. I'm feeling pretty good too. Today we're gonna sing. We're gonna sing lots of songs about counting. We're gonna sing counting songs. I hope you like counting and I hope you'll be good at it by the end of this video. We're gonna practice counting. The first song we're gonna sing is a counting song, believe it or not. I'll show you how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Pretty easy, right? Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Good job. Let's try it in a different language. The words are going to sound a little different because we're going to speak a different language. We're going to try it in French. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's sing. On va chanter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Bon travail, good job. Let's try it one more time, just to really get it in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 5 fingers, 5 fingers. Good job. The last one we're going to try is in Spanish. Let's try it in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's sing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Let's try it one more time, just to really get it in there. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Nice job, everyone. Let's go to the next song. The next song will be 3 green and speckled frogs. Ribbon. Do you know how this one goes? It goes. 3 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. We lost one of the frogs in the pool. Darn. Now there's only 2 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is one green speckled frog. Glub, glub. There's just one left. We had two, and one jumped into the pool. So now, one jumped. There's only one green frog left. One green and speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grub. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. We had one green speckled frog, and it jumped into the pool. None left. No more, all finished. No more green speckled frogs. But that's okay, because I think I saw 3 little ducks. I saw 3 little ducks out with their mum. Do you know what song I'm talking about? 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. And only 2, just 2 little ducks came back. There were 3, and then the mama duck called, quack, 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 but only 2 came back. Where did that last one go? 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 and only 1 little duck came back. Uh-oh, there were 2 little ducks that went out today, but only 1 came back. Odd. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 and none of the ducks came running back. None of the ducks, poor Mama duck. She doesn't know where any of her 3 babies are. She's all alone. Only Mama duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 and all the baby ducks came back. All 3 came running back. Yay! Mama duck is not so worried anymore. All her babies came running back. Good for Mama duck. I'm happy that one had a happy ending. You know who I think we should visit in our animal neighborhood? I think we should visit our friends, the 3 little monkeys. Those sneaky, sneaky monkeys who love to jump up and down on beds. That's not safe, monkeys. Let's have a chat with them. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped their head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh, Mama monkey came back to check on those monkeys, and there's only 2. There's only 2 left, because the one bumped their head, and they don't want to get hurt again, so they're not jumping on the bed anymore. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped their head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And now there's only 1 courageous monkey left jumping on that bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. They fell off and bumped their head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now there's no little monkeys jumping on the bed, so none fell off and bumped their head. Mama called the doctor. You know what the doctor said? Put those monkeys straight to bed. No more jumping monkeys. It's bedtime. Good night, monkeys. Goodbye, ducks. Goodbye, frogs. Goodbye, all the other animals in our village. And thanks for helping me practice my counting.
Thank you for helping me practice my counting. I hope you enjoyed singing with me. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.